Oh wow, my hair is great, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, what is that?
Okay, we're gonna make some slime today.
The heck is slime?
Don't worry about my hair.
What's my name? Debbie.
Debbie, okay. Her name is Debbie, apparently.
And you know me from my video, Crazy Old Mama. Just
okay, well, we're gonna make some slime, so we're gonna pour the goop.
Why do you have milk on the table?
This is glue.
What the? Who's gonna be buying this big old jug of glue?
Well, it's only $10.
Well, that's a bargain. I'm gonna have to go to Michael's and get that. Be right back. Wait, I gotta go to Michael's and get my glue. I'm sorry, guys. I just gotta get some more. It's a bargain. It's a bargain.
Well, I'll just show you some of her slime, I guess, that I gave her.
I got my glue down.
There she is.
What a bargain. I got two. But I'll just leave that for later. It was a bargain, so I had to get some, even though I'll probably never use it again.
Okay, we're gonna pour this slime, the glue.
This is slime?
No, glue.
You mean milk? Oh, is that good?
Yeah, that should be good.
This stuff. Ooh, it's milk.
Okay, Debbie, what color do you want?
That tastes good. That's great.
Oh, okay. What color do you want?
What color do I want? Ooh, this will be such a vibrant color.
Okay.
Let's do some red glitter. Yeah. But this is going to be very vibrant white. Okay. Look at how pretty that color is.
Oh, wow, that's beautiful.
I love it. Okay, let's put some glitter.
Okay. Okay.
That's cute. We'll put this in the thing. You know the hot.
Hey, what? No. We got this glitter, and this color. Where the heck did my fork?
What do I mix with my finger?
No. Here's
A fork.
okay, I'm gonna pour my coloring in. Some nice noises. Just stir it. You don't eat it. Don't eat it. Yep, it's definitely gonna turn out like a creamy breadish color. So we need more coloring.
Well, this is gonna be real boring.
Well, that's because you just put white coloring in.
No, the texture. Look what you
Just go get a napkin. Look, there's a napkin right there.
Look what you made me do. Look what
Please
you
don't.
made me
Please
do.
don't. Okay. Freaking.
There, I cleaned it.
Did you?
I wiped it off. I wiped it off.
Okay. So that just happened.
So what else do I add?
Here, you,
Ooh, it's silk.
okay, you want to make it big and fluffy?
Like a pillow?
Sure.
Like a pillow. Okay, I'm gonna be able to lay
You
it down.
add that. You add that. Don't add a lot because, yeah, just don't add a lot. Okay. Let's mix this in. Let's put the food coloring. Yep. The glitter in.
What?
Just mix your slime.
Nice. Okay, what do I add next?
My hair is a mess. You add some of this. Just add a little tiny bit.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
I can fit this camera up.
You did. There's not a lot of glitter in here, so.
Oh, well, good for you.
Okay. Don't eat it!
It tastes kind of good.
Okay, here's my slime.
It's like,
Just knead it.
God, it's like cottage cheese.
Dang it, I have my white shirt on. Wow, okay.
Oh my goodness, so sad for you. I got my white shirt on.
I wish. You know what? We'll do another video where I actually have a good shirt on.
Oh wow, good. I bet y'all will really like.
Okay, we don't need to put that in the camera.
Oh, what?
Just keep kneading it.
Oh man, I should have brought my beer. Dang it. Beer slime. That'd be so cool.
Okay, yeah, definitely will be.
I know. I'm so happy you agreed with me on that. It's like cottage cheese. Something like Shrek would sneeze. I love Shrek. He's my idol.
He is.
I love him. He's so sweet and adorable.
Good for you. We need more borax.
Here, you want it? Am I done?
You gotta keep kneading it until it's good.
I thought it was done.
Until it's non-sticky.
It doesn't sticky. Well, it's real pretty.
Don't worry, it'll be pretty once it's kneaded.
I said it was pretty.
Sarcastically.
What a beautiful, ugly room.
So, Debbie, would you like to make another video about slime?
Sure. Well.
What? Debbie, you will not be getting paid.
Well, I mean, I'm just so grateful. Of course I'll be in the next video. About Slim.
It's slime.
Did you just correct me? Yeah, that's what I thought. Quiet. Crickets. Eat. Yummy. I'm gonna have to drink that later. It tastes kind of good. It has like a kind of a spicy flavor. It makes my throat burn. It makes my chest burn.
My shirt.
Oh my god, your shirt. No, but for real, it gives me like chest pain whenever I eat it.
That freaking clicking noise.
Is that just me burping?
No. If you want to make it stickier, you can add some of that.
I want to make it more like a pillow.
Here, add more of that.
You sound like a pig. Wow, don't give me your slime. Way to go, Barbara, or whatever your name is.
Hey. My name's Barbara
yeah,
now.
that was great. That was a great part.
My hair is a mess.
I swear, if you get your goop on my goop, I'm gonna freaking goop you. That was not funny.
Oh, my shirt! I love this shirt. You gotta. Yo, no more camera slaps, man. Yo, there's some on the wall. There's some on the wall. Well, I can't find it. Oh well. Okay.
Bruh. Dog, hot nigga.
What?
Your mom.
I know your mom's ugly.
Do you want the hot sauce?
Do
you want the hot sauce?
Stop it! Debbie? Swear to poo.
Did you just tell me what to do?
No. Stop it! You want this? I'm sorry.
You better be sorry.
At least let me get a new shirt on.
At least let me get a new shirt. Mom.
Her shirt.
Oh my god, her shirt. swear, if this is 15 minutes long and I don't get no AdSense for this video, okay, wrap it up. It's gonna be too long before I.
Okay, well, we're gonna end this video. Here's my beautiful slime.
And here's my slime.
Okay, the light. You don't eat it!
That's not what it's for.
Crap, there's freaking stuff in my... Get it out. Get it out. You just made it worse. Okay.
Her hair looks beautiful now.
Well, that was a video starring Debbie playing a scout.
No, my name is Cheryl, actually.
Okay, well, she's just changing her names now.
Oh, my name is Cheryl.
Okay, well, I'll see y'all later. Bye. Crap.